Guys, there are so many things to examine when painting a seascape. And to paint a masterpiece, we have to plan. Planning is very important. So let's start with a procedure. In this area, I will show the sky, and below that, I will create effect of sea waves crashing with rocks. Seascape is one of my favorite subjects for painting. In this painting tutorial, I will be painting a seascape of a Chorwad sea coast, which is situated in the state of Gujarat, India. This sea is not so heavy, so we could not show very heavy waves. I have been thought this scene about the long time and decided to paint on canvas. This process begins with just pencil sketching on canvas. Avoid doing details in pencil sketching stage and just concentrate on marking sea level, major tones, dark and light shades. Here we are just putting some ideas of painting. I am giving some marking of sea waves crashing against rocks, rocks coming out from the water and seaweed over it. As we have discussed before, this is slow sea and not heavy waves coming out, and due to that, rocks are fully covered with seaweed. With details and effects in colors, we will learn in the next session. Again, I would like to inform you that just concentrate on dark and light shadow of rocks and other components. Look, we have to give nearest and distance rocks marking in this subject. Marking of rocks are very important part of the painting, and we have to work hard to give three-dimensional effect by dark and light colors in next session. Here we are trying to mark some distant sea waves. Here we are trying to putting some rough ideas of fluffy clouds in the sky. So now our pencil sketch idea is almost completed, and in the next session we will see how to put monochrome idea of painting.